Welcome to your GemSparkle experience, where over 20,000 jewelers capture, showcase, and supercharge their sales every day. In just 3 minutes and 20 seconds, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to capture perfect sparkles anytime, anywhere. Let's start by unboxing your GemSparkle together. Inside your portable pouch, you'll find the GemSparkle, a white background cloth, an eclipse cloth for black backgrounds, a power cord, and a phone stand. Now that we've got everything out, it's time to unlock the true power of your GemSparkle. To begin, always use a phone stand to ensure stability when capturing photos. Since the GemSparkle features a built-in 5x lens, even the slightest movement can be amplified in your images. Using a phone stand helps eliminate unwanted motion, ensuring your camera remains steady for perfect shots every time. Always keep your jewelry positioned 5 to 10 centimeters away for optimal focus. Let's get those perfect sparkles. Your GemSparkle is equipped with a built-in 5x lens and a sparkle lens that will elevate your jewelry photography to new heights of brilliance. To power it up, simply locate the power button on the side panel and push it up. Now, let's dive into the various lighting options that make the GemSparkle unique and perfect for every piece of jewelry. You have 3 powerful choices. The yellow light is your go-to for capturing the true colors of vibrant colored gemstones to bring out their true color. The white light is perfect for showcasing metals and jewelry, and blue light is perfect for highlighting the brilliance and sparkle of diamonds. Want to adjust the brightness? Simply push the sparkles button up or down to discover your perfect setting. Now let's dive into sparkle modes. The GemSparkle has 3 fantastic options to bring sparkles to your jewelry exactly the way you imagine it. The first one is Sparkle Mode. This is perfect for achieving beautiful sparkles across all types of jewelry, especially when used against a black backdrop or on its own. The second is a Constant Mode, provides steady light for consistent and breathtaking photos. And finally, the Glow Mode, which adjusts intensity gradually to give your jewelry a subtle sparkle effect. This works best when both your jewelry and phone remain constant. If you prefer a softer sparkle at any time, we've got you covered. The sparkle lens is designed for easy removal, giving you full control over how to capture your jewelry. Simply push out the lens, twist off the sparkle lens, and install the 5x lens back in only. This setup offers a more subtle effect for pieces that you want to sparkle gently. When photographing your jewelry, pick the perfect background for your shots. For a black backdrop, grab the eclipse cloth. Place your jewelry on the cloth, tap into the GemHub app, and select Eclipse Mode to create a stunning contrast that beautifully highlights your jewelry. For a white backdrop, swap in the white cloth. This bright backdrop enhances clarity and elegance, making your jewelry shine brightly in every shot. In the GemHub app, simply toggle off the Eclipse Mode. You can also use this mode to beautifully capture sparkles directly on your hand. Now that you're all set up, it's time to have some fun with your GemSparkle. For more helpful tutorials, please follow us on social media. We're so excited to have you as part of our community of over 20,000 jewelers. Together, let's redefine what's possible.